are going to love the 2018 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, fog lights, CD player, compass, security system, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.